Hi guys, how can you create a multiple in flared color effect in Photoshop like this? First, select your main background layer. Now, go to Select Subject. Once the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to place it on a separate layer. Next, select the background layer again. Go to Select, Subject one more time. Now go to Edit Content Aware Fill. This will remove the subject from the background. And select the background layer. Now open the channel mixer adjustment. In the red channel, reduce the blue value to -100 and increase the green value to around +200. Keep the red value near 0. Then switch to the blue channel. Increase the red value to around +200. Now drag the subject layer and other layer on top. Next, go to Adjustment Layer Hue/Saturation. Adjust the hue to +53 and saturation +58, and then adjust the lightness slightly for a soft inflated look, around -20. Fine-tune the colors until you get a dreamy glossy effect. Now turn on both above layers. And that's it. This is before and this is after. That one is for green and other one for purple and other one is red. This is how you can create a multiple in flared color effect in Photoshop.